Here we are going to simplify. And now see, it's very simple. They have given the terms bracket and outside that number is given. So whenever something is there in bracket and outside a number is there, so you are going to multiply. You are going to multiply that term. Okay, same here. 5, no sign is there, means it is multiplication, so 5 will be multiplied to both the terms. So what answer it will be? 3 into t, it will become 3t minus 3 3s are 9 is equals to 5 into 2 will be 10t plus 5 into 1 will be 5. Now you know how to do it. We will bring the like terms. So terms having t will be at one side and terms without t will be on the other side. 9 माइनस में था, ट्रांसपोर्ट, सो इट विल कम इन प्लस. अब हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो ये विल कम माइनस 7t इज इक्वल्स टू, इफ आई एड इट विल कम 14. सो t इज इक्वल्स टू 14 अपॉन माइनस 7. नाउ ऑब्वियसली प्लस माइनस, सो माइनस, और 7 2s are is 14. So answer of t will be t is equals to minus 2. It's easy. Okay, let's see one more question of same variety. It is question number 8 that we are doing. Here again bracket and outside bracket 15 is there, no sign is there, means it is in multiply, so we'll multiply 15 by both the number. Similarly here bracket, no sign is there, that means 2 you have to multiply to both the numbers, and same way here no sign is there, means it is in multiplication, so we have to multiply by both the 8 terms they have given in the bracket. So here 15 into y will be 15y minus 15 4s are, it will be 60. Here when we will multiply, we will take care of the sign because this is minus sign, so minus 2 into y, it will be 2y, and minus into minus will become plus, and 2 9s are 18. Plus sign is there, so no need to worry. 5y plus is 30 is equals to 0. Again we will transpose, we will keep the terms with y on this side only, and terms not having y we will transpose to that side, so minus 60 will go there, so it will become plus 60, plus 18 will go that side, so will become minus 18, and plus 30 will go that side, so will become minus 30. Now we can easily solve here. 15y plus 5 will become 20y, 20y minus 2y, so it will become 18y. If you have any problem doing orally, do write in rough copy and then do. Okay, now here it is 60 minus 30, so answer will come 30. Okay, and minus 18 I am writing as it is. Now here 18y is equals to, we will subtract, so it will become 12, and y is equals to 12 upon 18. Search for a table in which both the numbers are coming. So which table it is? It is 6 table, so we'll cancel by 6, so it will be 6 2s are and 6 3s are, so this is our answer. We have cancelled them by 6. Okay, clear to everyone? We'll cancel by 6. Those who are having doubt, I am telling, this is 6 3s are and this is 6 2s are. Okay, so 2 by